up, everybody? So I just kind of fixed up my exhaust. As you guys know from previous videos, it would always rattle and it was super ghetto. So I finally fixed it, cut the cat out, got rid of the resonator, so it's straight. So it's still 2.5. I do want to do 3, but I just had some 2.5 pipe inch laying around and decided to just fab it up. So changed it up a little bit, figured I'd make a little video, kind of some in-car videos. I'll try to get some outside car video as well. I'm stuck. All right, well that was random, but I mean, the opportunity arose. There's snow right there and, you know, just fix my exhaust. You might as well hear it that way. All right, well I got this annoying sound on my dash here because it's cracked. So in order to fix that, just throw a receipt in there. It works every time. Problem's fixed. We're only in 5 pounds, so I'm probably making 150, 160 horsepower is all. It's not like I'm making a lot of power. And we're just gonna rip on it. So this is from 10 miles an hour. You guys ready for this? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Gotcha. It's pretty mild still, so it's a racing beat muffler. It's actually really mild. It sounds pretty good between like 3,000 and 4,000 RPMs though. I do like how it sounds then. We'll do another rip. We'll do a second from 20. I still want to change the exhaust up. I want to do a full 3-inch. So it's a 3-inch downpipe, goes into 2.5 inch, and then just right to the racing beat muffler. I want to do a full 3-inch at some point. Yeah, my fabrication skills are not great, so it took me way too long to do what I did there, but all I had was a grinder and a welder, some cutting angles and stuff, and one 2.5 inch straight pipe, so it was kind of difficult. So if I can get a saw, get some 3-inch piping, I think it'll be a lot better. I'll definitely make it louder. I don't want it like crazy loud, like straight pipe loud, but I'll definitely try to make it a little bit louder. It's so nice being able to drive it, not having a boost cut though, because when the wastegate's hooked up, it's terrible. So in order to fix that, I need to pull the turbo off, port the wastegate. So don't mind my idle air control valve, it's not hooked up, so it idles like crap when it's cold. Yeah, so it definitely sounds a lot better than it did. I like it. It doesn't rattle. It'll still rattle up by my downpipe. That's always been a problem, usually only in first gear. So I'm not really worried about that. I think it does pretty good, sounds pretty good. It's not obnoxious or anything. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Like, do you think it sounds good? Just a little turbo beater Miata with 169,000 miles on it. So yeah, that's probably going to be the video for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Should have been safe when I was driving. So I actually picked this up at the thrift store. It's a pretty sweet helmet. Paid 15 bucks for it. So I sell stuff on eBay. So I actually bought it to sell. So hopefully I can make some money on it, but it's pretty cool looking. Should have been wearing this the whole time. Now I will say, these cars are not known to sound that good, the BP engine. So take this video with a grain of salt, because I know it still doesn't sound that good. It doesn't sound like no LS.